This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your garden. First, begin by thoroughly clearing your garden beds. Remove all spent plants, dead leaves, and any remaining debris from the previous season. This crucial step helps eliminate potential pest habitats and disease sources. Next, meticulously pull out all weeds, ensuring you get their roots to prevent quick regrowth. Finally, take a moment to check your irrigation system for leaks or blockages, making any needed repairs now. Now, let's focus on your garden's foundation, the soil. Start by performing a soil test to understand its current pH and nutrient composition. This information guides your next steps. Based on the test, amend your soil generously with organic matter, such as well-rotted compost or aged manure, aiming for a layer of 2 to 3 inches. This enriches the soil and improves its structure. Then, gently loosen any compacted areas to enhance drainage and aeration for healthy root development. With your soil ready, it's time to plan your new garden layout. Think about crop rotation. Avoid planting the same vegetables in the exact spot year after year to prevent nutrient depletion and pest buildup. Sketch out your planting scheme, considering each plant's mature size and sunlight requirements. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily for most vegetables. Finally, choose plants that thrive in your local climate and fit the scale of your garden, ensuring a successful growing season. You're almost ready to plant. Before putting plants in the ground, install any new trellises, stakes, or supports that climbing plants will need. It's much easier to do this before the plants grow large. Next, apply a fresh layer of organic mulch, about 2 to 3 inches deep, around your beds. This helps retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weed growth. Finally, gather all your planting tools and supplies, ensuring everything is clean and ready for a productive planting day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.